Writing with your child. Advice on how to support early writing. Look at my video Reading with Your Child, which gives an overview of early phonics. In reading, the skills necessary are grapheme recognition and blending graphemes. Writing uses many of the same skills, however they are reversed. In writing, children segment the sounds in words and select the grapheme to match the phoneme. We start with writing simple consonant-vowel-consonant words such as pan and top. Children will find hearing the initial sound in the word the easiest. They may then hear the ending sound in the word. The middle sounds are the most challenging. Help by saying the words slowly and have your child watch your mouth shape as you pause slightly in the middle. Man. Show children how many sounds are in the word using your fingers.
Frog. Crunch.
Remember, your child doesn't know all the graphemes, so we wouldn't expect a child to choose a grapheme they aren't familiar with. The main focus initially is helping children to include all the sounds, but these sounds can be represented by any grapheme which makes that sound. For example, a child may write happy, but they have included all the sounds. We call this phonetically plausible. Common errors in writing include missing out sounds. Children will often write only some of the sounds in a word. They may also hear all the sounds but muddle them up when writing. It helps to have the children read the word back to themselves. They can often spot their own omitted sounds and see where they have muddled sounds, but they may need help breaking these down. Just as tricky words are difficult to read, they are difficult to spell too. Children will need to practice spelling these words in order to spell them correctly, as their phonetic knowledge will only help so far. Again, this will take time, so phonetically plausible spellings are still great. We start with encouraging correct spellings for common tricky words, like I, to, he. Children have lots of ideas when writing and can get so carried away they end up writing a jumble of letters that neither they nor you can read. If they are writing a longer piece, such as a story or a letter, let them tell you the story first. We call this talk for writing. After that, it helps to focus children on one sentence at a time. Have them tell you what they want to say. Tell them to stop when they go beyond a sentence and repeat the sentence back to them. Use fingers to count how many words are in the sentence. Remind them to start with a capital letter and a finger space in between each word. When they have written all the words, remind them to use a full stop. Let's have a look at some writing. In the word riding, there is a missing sound. A child could go back and correct this, as they would know the sound. In these examples, the word is spelt incorrectly. However, the graphemes they have used do make the required phoneme. This is a great attempt to write the word using all the sounds. In the word punch, the grapheme ch has been reversed. Don't be afraid to let children make mistakes when writing. Their writing will not be perfect, but should perfectly reflect their early writing skills.